Yellow Arty Peoples, my name is Emmy Klein.
And I'm Michaela Westra.
And if you're looking for us, we're not here.
Nope.
No. The reason why is because Jerry's Live is officially over as we know it.
Yes, but do not fear. We are still going to be here. We have a new format called Jerry's Live Workshops. And we're going to be working with something a little bit longer, more in-depth.
YouTube only.
Yes.
But which means that we're going to have 4K, which you can see those details.
Yes.
It's going to be...
So excited.
Yes.
It will be on the first Thursday of the month, and we are going to be starting with Emmy in February.
Yes, I'm very excited. We're going to be doing some oil painting portraiture, which is going to be amazing because we're going to start from the very beginning and be able to walk you through every single step through the whole project. Because of that longer format, I'm very excited about this. And then Michaela, of course, is going to come next in March.
Yes, so March 5th, we're going to be doing mixing colored pencils, and I'm so excited because I had so much information the first time I talked about colored pencils, and I just have so much to share. So I really hope you follow along for that one.
Yeah, no, it's been an amazing 9 years. I cannot believe we've been doing Jerry's Live for that long. It's been incredible. Everybody who's been watching us throughout the years, thank you so much for all of your comments and your likes and shares and everything. And we really, really are excited about this new format. So we hope to see you in the new year with our longer format, of course. So
And keep an eye out on social media for any updates. And this behind us might be changing a little bit. So keep an eye out for that in particular.
we got some sneak peeks coming on all of our socials. So of course, 2026, we'll see you. We'll see you then. New year, new us.
Yeah. See you.